This is my homemade broth. I don't even think I even turned on the stove. It's frozen. So again, to reiterate, this is like a very similar like stew peas. I'm gonna refer to it as the American stew peas if you hear me say this, but yeah, I've seen them refer to it as red beans and rice. I picked this smoked turkey drumstick up at Publix. This was the price of it. I don't know if that's a good price. I don't know, honestly, but if I went to Disney and bought this thing, it'd probably be about $15. So out of the turkey leg, I'm gonna add some more water. I don't think I'm supposed to add this much water. So I'm like, should I cut the turkey? Should I cut the turkey? I don't know. I don't know. I was gonna cut it, but I'm gonna leave it. I don't know. Okay. I chopped up a small onion, some sweet peppers, bell peppers, and scallion green onions, whatever you want to call it. And I'm gonna put this in the pot now. Let's go. Chicken. All right. I flipped it over one time already. I think I'm gonna just have to add more water. So if you grew up eating smoked turkey and beans, please tell me if, you know, I need to do something. Onion powder, extra spice, all-purpose seasoning, of course ground black pepper, and more water. Okay, so I'm over here chopping this up in this brothy thing. Chopped it up just to help the process along, but it tastes really nice. Like I just took a little piece of it, but it's just supposed to be like falling off the bone, so that's why we're cooking it more. Alright, so let's pour our beans, the low sodium dark red kidney beans, and then this one has a little bit of kidney beans as well, pinto and black beans. Alright, my people, it just needed to cook down a little bit more, and now I have that like gravy. Yeah. And again, no coconut milk, but it did thicken up because of the beans. But then we'll give the taste test of what we have here.